how to find and book rental cars on kayak.com. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to find and book rental cars on kayak.com. Okay, so what you have to do first is to search out kayak.com on your Google Chrome using your PC, and once you've done that, this is a page that you're going to see. Here at the top right corner, you see the kayak.com. You see the kayak logo. So under it, you see the flight option, you see the stays option, you see the cars option, packages option, flight tracker, and so on. Okay, so at the top left corner, you see the profile icon. So you can click on profile icon to either add another user or get help, or get help answers to frequently asked questions, or just you can do anything about your account, your kayak account. Okay, so Kayak is basically into flights, cars, stays, packages, and so on. So back to the question, how to find and book rental cars on kayak.com. At the right side of the screen, where we have those options, you see the flight icon, you see the stays icon, you see the cars option. You simply click on cars, then you wait for the cars page to load. So here you see compare rental car deals to find the right one. So here you have to compare rental car deals to find the right one that suits you. Okay, so all you have to do, once the first option here says same drop off. So if you are going to use same drop off, you simply click on it. But if you are using a different drop off, or just make your choice. Okay, so once you're done with that, you choose your location. The next space available is for your location. So once you're done with choosing the location, you move on to the date that you'll be arriving, or the date that you'll be using the renting the car. Make sure that you select the right date on the calendar. Once you're done with that, you move to changing, if it's AM, that's it. If it isn't, if you want the ride to be in the morning or in the evening, you indicate in the time section also. So the departure date too, okay, you have to input that, you have to indicate. So make sure you select the right date on the calendar. Okay, so once you're done with that, to the left side of the screen, you see the search icon. It's a red icon. You click on it, then you wait for several rides, that is several car rentals to be displayed right on your screen. Okay, so here you see already that they are being displayed. So what you have to do is to make sure that you go through them thoroughly with their distinct features or characteristics. Then you check the prices. Okay, judge the prices too, the number of passengers it can take, the number of baggage or luggage I can take, if it has AC, that is air conditioner, and any other feature that you want. Once you see the one that suits you, what you have to do is that on each box towards the left side of the screen, you see the view deal option, the view deal icon. You click on the view deal icon, then you wait for the page to load. Okay, I'm here, like I'm waiting. So it's loading already. So here you're going to see several car deals made available for you on Kayak. Okay, so it's very simple. Just make sure that you're patient when you are on this app, because there's some other to take time for it to load, just like I'm waiting. Okay, so here you just scroll down the page to see the particular car that you want. At the right side of your screen, you see the option. If you want all car types, they will be displayed right on your screen. If you want car on airport, it will also be displayed. If you want a shuttle car, it will be displayed. Just make sure you scroll down till you see the one that suits you. Then you go ahead with the payment or the reservation. Okay, so it's very simple. So this is simply how to find and book rental cars on Kayak. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.